the escapades. So today we are going to be exploring Kutus Town right here in Kirinyaga County, Kirinyaga Central Constituency. But first, we start our video from Dhiba Dam right here. So this is the Dhiba Dam, THIB Dam right here. Just a few minutes from Kutus Town. So we start our journey from here, and we are going to showcase Kutus Town. So thank you guys for being here. Less than 100 kilometers from Nairobi, deep in the heart of Kirinyaga County, this is Kutus, a town that doesn't shout, but a town that delivers farming, trade, government, education, healthcare, everything a county headquarter demands and more. Today, we go inside. Kutus sits on the B6 road, the main artery connecting Nairobi to Kirinyaga and Embu counties. It lies 17 kilometers from Kirinyaga, and together the two towns form the administrative and commercial backbone of Kirinyaga County. To the north, Mount Kenya. To the south, the vast Kirinyaga Plains stretching towards Embu. This is Kirinyaga Central Constituency, and Kutus is the beating heart. A town that serves farmers, traders, teachers, nurses, and civil servants all at once. Kutus is home to Kenya's leading maize and wheat flour companies, namely Kavagara or Joy or Raha Premiums Limited, located just 5 minutes from the main town, and Spencer Maize Millers, located just before you arrive to the Kirinyaga University from Kagio town. The B6 highway is Kutus Spine, a tarmacked national road that connects this town directly to Nairobi, Thika and Embu. Heavy commercial traffic passes through every day. Trucks heading to and from the fertile farms of Mount Kenya region. That traffic is also commerce. The Kutus Kirinyaga road links the two urban centers, tarmacked, reliable and essential. Inside town, road upgrades are ongoing. Some streets are fully tarmacked, others are being worked on. Maram transforming to tarmac, one project at a time. They have been constituency and county funds channeled towards road improvement in Kutus ward. The work is visible. At the center of Kutus healthcare landscape is Kutus Sub-County Hospital, a government-run level 4 facility. This is the main referral point of Kirinyaga Central. Maternity services, theater, inpatient ward, outpatient clinic, laboratory and pharmacies. The hospital has seen improvement over the years, renovation works, medical equipment upgrade, driven by both national and county services allocation. On the private side, a growing number of clinics and medical centers have set up in Kutus. Avenue Medical Center, various general practice licenses, dental services, optical services, pharmacies and chemists line the high streets, handling the overflow and the day-to-day needs that the hospital can't always accommodate immediately. Healthcare in Kutus is functional and growing. A town of this size and the status deserves a level 5 facility in the long run, and that conversation is ongoing. Education has always been a pillar in Kirinyaga County, and Kutus is no exemption. At the primary level, Kutus Primary Schools, Gashanjiro Primary and Kemunye Primary, and a network of community schools serve the town and the surrounding wards. Secondary schools, Gishogo High School, one of the most respected institutions in the county, Kutus Boys High School, and several mixed-day schools serve the immediate community. Then there is Kirinyaga University, located right on the Kutus Road, a fully fledged university offering degree programs in agriculture, engineering, business, and education, a game changer for the region. TVET institutions and vocational training centers also operate here, giving young people practical skills for the job market. Private nurseries, academies, and tuition centers are everywhere. Parents in Kirinyaga invest heavily in their children's education. This is a community that understands education is the most important infrastructure of all. This is where Kutus comes alive. The Kutus Town market is the commercial heartbeat. Fresh produce, cereals, livestock, second-hand clothes, and everything in between. Farmers from across Kirinyaga County converge here to sell and buy. The main street is a study of commerce. Hardware shops serving the construction boom, worker wholesale distributors, agrovet shops supplying input to Mount Kenya's farmers, pharmacies, electronics, and clothing. Supermarkets have made their entry. Modern retail is arriving in Kutus. The residents welcome it. Agricultural supply is a defining feature of this town's economy. Fertilizers, small seeds, pesticides, irrigation equipment. Kutus is a supply hub for the surrounding farming belt. Hotels, restaurants, guest houses, barber shops, mobile money agent. The informal economy is deep and resilient. Kutus doesn't wait for outside investors. It builds its own economy, rooted in land, in agriculture, and in the hard work of its people. Kutus punches above its weight when it comes to financial services. Cooperative Bank has a full branch here, and not just an agency. Equity Bank too. KCB agency banking is widespread. This is a town that formal banking has committed to, and for the majority of daily transactions, M-Pesa agents are on every corner, fast, accessible, and reliable. The circles culture in Kirinyaga is strong. Farmers circles, teachers circles, women table banking groups, microfinance institutions. The grassroots financial ecosystem is resilient and inclusive. As Kutus grows, more financial products and institutions will follow. That's the pattern of every thriving satellite town. You cannot understand Kutus without understanding agriculture. The two are inseparable. Kirinyaga County sits on some of the most fertile lands in Kenya. The slopes of Mount Kenya produce some of the finest tea in the world, and tea money builds this region. The KTDA has operations in the corridor. Farmers deliver tea leaves, green gold. The earnings from the tea drives school fees, construction, businesses, and everything else in the economy. To the south, the Mwea irrigation scheme, one of the largest rice-growing regions in Kenya. Rice from Mwea feeds millions of Kenyans, and Kutus is the commercial gateway for that produce. Coffee, horticulture, macadamia nuts, Kirinyaga grows it all. And Kutus is where supply chains froze. This town exists because the land is productive, and the land stays productive because of the people who work it every single day. Faith anchors life in Kutus. The Anglican Church of Kenya has deep roots here. St. Philip Kutus is one of the oldest and most prominent churches in the region. The church is not just a place of worship, it's a community pillar. PCA, SDA, Catholic Church, the Kenya Assemblies of God, Full Gospel, Pentecostal churches of every stripe. On Sunday mornings, this town dresses up and moves. The road filled with families, the music carries through the streets. Churches also run schools, healthcare facilities, community programs. Faith and service are intertwined in Kirinyaga, different denominations, one shared identity, a community built on value, on family, and on each other. Kutus is growing. The evidence is in every new building that has gone up in the last decade. The town is expanding outwards. Commercial plots along the B6 highway are being developed at pace. New story buildings are replacing old single-story structures. Land in Kutus remains more affordable than in Nairobi, from as low as 300,000 for a 50 by 100 plot. And with Kirinyaga University driving students and staff demand, the rental market is active. For investors, proximity to the university, a hospital and government administrative hub, and a major agricultural trading corridor makes Kutus a compelling proposition. People are building, people are arriving, and the skyline is slowly changing, steadily but changing. Stand at the edge of Kutus on a clear morning, and there it is, Mount Kenya, Africa's second highest peak, watching over the entire region. That mountain is not just scenery, it is the source of rivers, of rainfall, of fertile soils, of the water that fills the Mwea irrigation canals below. The Dhiba River and Nyamindi River drain through Kirinyaga County, feeding irrigation schemes, supporting farming, and defining the landscape. The plains stretching south towards Mwea are some of the most productive agricultural lands in East Africa. From up there, you begin to understand why the county is called the breadbasket of Kenya. Nature gives Kirinyaga everything. Kutus is where people have organized around their gifts. Football is the people's sport in Kutus, as it is everywhere else in Kenya. Local teams compete in county and regional leagues. On weekends, the grounds come alive with players, coaches, and supporters. Long-distance learning has a special place in the region. The hills and altitude of Mount Kenya lower slopes produce some remarkable athletes. You will see learners on the roads here at dawn. For social life, Kutus has solid selection of hotels, restaurants, local eateries, and entertainment spots. People meet, people eat, people relax. This is a working town, but it knows how to live too. Getting in and out of Kutus, matatus. Direct routes connect Kutus to Nairobi via Thika Road and the B6 highway. The journey takes roughly 2.5 hours depending on traffic. Routes also run to Kerugoya, to Embu, Nyeri, and smaller towns in the surrounding wards. Inside town, boda-bodas are everywhere. Every estate, every corner, every short trip, fast and affordable. The matatu stage in Kutus is the pulse of daily movement, morning and evening. It's organized chaos, calls, conductors, bags, and purpose. As the B6 highway upgrades progresses, commuter times will improve, and when they do, Kutus becomes even more accessible. Kutus is not one place, it's many. Kutus Town Center, the commercial and administrative core, where business gets done and government operates. Gathigiriri, a growing residential and agricultural area on the town's edge. Muthaiga, known for its proximity to Mwea rice farming corridor. Kimunye, residential farming, the rhythm of rural Kirinyaga life just beyond the urban edge. Kashanjiro, Kiamutogo, and Kerogoya road estates. Each neighborhood has its own pace, its own personality, but they all share one identity: Kutus, Kirinyaga County. Kutus Police Station anchors security in this town. The station serves Kirinyaga Central constituency and coordinates with the county policing structures. The presence of courts, a sub-county commissioner's office, and a police station in the same town gives Kutus a strong institutional security base. County policing is active, Nyumba Kumi, ward security committees, residents who look out for each other. A community that watches over itself is always the strongest first line of defense. Kutus, at the foot of Mount Kenya, is the heart of Kirinyaga County, a sub-county hospital, a university, courts, market, manufacturing, banks, churches, and farms. Roads being built, buildings going up, people arriving, agricultural thriving. It is not perfect, no town is, but the direction, forward, always forward. This is where fertile lands meet organized community, where Mount Kenya's water feeds the rice paddies in Mwea and the tea estates above. This is Kirinyaga Central. This is Kutus, and now you know its name. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.